Per Inside EVs, Tesla has set a new record for its supercharging network expansion in Q1 2024. The company installed 297 new stations globally, a 10% increase year-over-year, bringing the total to over 6,200 stations. Despite this growth, the number of new individual connectors slightly dropped by 2% to 2,687. Overall, Tesla's network now boasts nearly 60,000 stalls, aiming to hit the 60,000 mark in Q2 2024. Tesla's superchargers now offer up to 250 kilowatts of peak power, with rumors suggesting future outputs could exceed 300 kilowatts. The introduction of V4 Superchargers in Europe and the US, equipped with integrated CCS1 adapters and credit card readers, marks a significant upgrade to accommodate non-Tesla electric vehicles. Moreover, Tesla is expanding its Non-Tesla Supercharger Pilot to over 20 countries, making its network more accessible to a wider range of electric vehicles. This move, coupled with the adoption of the North American charging standard NACS by major automakers like Ford and General Motors, underscores Tesla's influence in shaping the future of electric vehicle charging infrastructure. In a significant business move, Tesla began selling its DC fast charging solutions to other networks in Q4 2023, with notable deals including a $100 million agreement with BP for the BP Pulse network in the US. You are listening to Yuan News.